like actual niggas, like some nigga shit. Some nigga shit, bro. Look at this shit. No.
Welcome to my FM. Keep on going, motherfucker. FM X 800. Perfect.
Alright, today we're reacting to Secret Life of Niggas. Caught on camera. Secret Life of Niggas is people that actually rob you when they're not looking. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what he said.
Nah, but we're reacting to Secret Life of Pets.
Yeah.
Isn't there like a movie of that?
I think, yeah.
Yeah, I think we should watch it.
We can. Yeah, so, yeah. YouTuber's name Brain Time.
No, that doesn't sound like me, bro. Don't even say it. Oh, it sounds like Brainy to me. Yeah,
Alright, so, let's, get right into the video.
What about Storm? You want to Storm to react?
No. Nope.
Alright, you can go ahead and switch over to the screen. Thank you.
What pets do when left alone? Well, today we're gonna find out. This is an exclusive peek into the secret lives of pets.
Oh, wow.
Let's get it on.
Alright, now.
Xbox and the PlayStation. Call of Duty. Wait. You know, a good thing is the TV didn't break.
He really... Nah, that shit broke.
No. Look how it felt.
Tofu's love language is gift.
It fell on this like top. So the screen is still good.
You just go sit back down like ain't nothing happened.
Tofu's love language is gift giving. That's probably why he always brings home the most random things he finds on the street.
Alright, now.
Wait till Storm learns how to open your door.
Hell
The
no.
owners don't feel like getting out of bed at 6 a.m., but that didn't stop this dog from going on his morning walk.
What?
What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
Your cat can do that?
He sounded like, I don't know. Alright, now. What's he want to cook himself?
Yeah.
Trying really hard. What the fuck?
You should make Storm know how to do that game.
I don't think he's trying to.
Play this video for your dog and ask him why he pretends he can't be like this.
No, I think Storm would just mark at the damn dog. Don't let her down. Oh, I saw this video. It fall under the damn stairs, man.
I couldn't get mad at this dog. He escaped from his cage just to watch some TV.
Why are you all up in the camp?
Excuse me. Cookie, what did you do? What did you do?
The fuck? Oh, this is one cat, bro. He's so viral. This cat is so viral. Or he What the hell? This cat's so viral right now, it's ridiculous. Alright, we can stop now.
I don't think I can make that noise.
Oh my God,
Fucking
great
turtle.
boy. How are you gonna manage this?
See, I was about to say something, but then you was gonna call me gay.
What?
So I think it was back in 2022, I was scrolling through TikTok one day, right? And this squirrel was trying to get past the fence, trying to climb it, right?
Okay.
And the squirrel got its penis stuck in the fence.
Go. 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 What?
No, seriously, that's what actually happened. Like his balls got stuck in the fence. I'm being serious.
You were being dead serious.
I'm being dead serious. We can search it up.
We ain't searching that up. But I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that.
All right. Wait.
Bro, like, what?
You got some problems, buddy? Oh, poor guy. He does not look too happy.
The things you see on TikTok, man, it's crazy. We're not gonna put that on the screen, by the way. It's
No.
highly inappropriate.
Very inappropriate.
I don't know how they got him out. I don't think they got him out. They just left him there.
That squirrel's ballsless.
I mean, he's trying. Like, there's no tomorrow, huh? Oh, there he goes. I think he's got it.
Come on, Raph. You think he died?
Nah. What the hell?
Imagine just sleeping in the car and you wake up to that.
He's humping.
You could beat the horn. Beat the horn and be all fun and games to beat that horn.
He's trying to hump.
What are you gonna tell your parents when they kick you out of the house and you're sitting in your car and this is what the...
His horny ass. His horny ass. I need to hump this on top of it. Oh, what the fuck was that? Don't tell me it's a dog driving. I swear to God. I swear, bro. You're lying.
Stop it.
It's like, yo, bro, I'm gonna help you out, bro.
Charlie,
Why you turn like that?
stop it. Charlie, go lay down.
At least now the owners know their dog is a reliable and loyal friend.
It's like, hey, bro, I'm gonna help him out, bro. What you gonna do, bro?
The only downside about pet cameras is watching your furry friend begging for you to come home.
It sounds like it's saying come home.
Yeah, exactly. Like, yo.
What did you do?
I thought we were gonna look at this cat right here.
Him over there laying down, yeah. He's a secret agent. You gotta be careful, bro. He's real quiet, too.
This
Alright.
parrot came up with something shocking, but obviously genius.
Yo.
I'm trying to give me one of those parrots that talk.
Oh God.
Can you fucking feed me?
Fuck you. He's still going. What the fuck? What happened?
Trying to give me a dog like that.
A husky?
Yeah.
Hell no.
They're smarter.
They're smart, but they're over dramatic as hell. Yeah, they be doing the most, bro.
Tell the damn dog, shut up.
There's 2 of them. See?
No!
So this is if it'll be Storm and Tessa as huskies.
Yes. Bro.
Lucky I don't have the volume all the way up.
Yeah, nah, it'll be cooked.
Stop me! No!
I'm pretty sure that's how evolution happened.
What in the fuck?
Yeah. He must have came outside with a shotgun. This is a Storm. He wants to come back in the house. Scratch at the damn door.
Bro, there's this one time that, what was it? Bro, it sounds like bad, like dog parenting. But bro, there was this one time, I think I went to New York. My aunt wasn't home. That's when I had my car. And I drove to New York. And that's when we had the Ring doorbell.
Oh, you left him outside?
I wish I had the video. I think my aunt deleted it. I don't know. I will put it in the clip. But bro, she sent me the video. She's like, look what Storm's doing. Storm's helping a squirrel.
You lying.
I swear to God.
Bro, you don't have that footage,
Bro, she's helping the squirrel. After she ate the squirrel. She's just helping it. She's like this.
Jeffrey Dahmer is a damn dog?
I was like, what the fuck is happening, bro? I was so confused, bro. I was like, bro. She sent me a video. She's like, you left her outside? I'm like, yeah. And I look at the video. All I see is after she just killed the squirrel. And Tessa was out there with her. And Tessa's just, you know how Tessa is.
He's just sitting.
Like just crying. I'm like, what the fuck? So then I had to drive all the way back. To here. From New York. Yeah. That was good story time.
Well, I wish she had the footage, bro. She had to ask her, and she still got the video, bro. It'd be funny.
The fuck am I about to see?
Dog's ass in the camera, probably. I ain't looking like. When you tell a nigga a joke about something that happened to him. Yeah, wait. When you tell a nigga a joke that. Oh, wait. When you tell a nigga a joke, but the joke is based off him, and he looks at you with that shit right there. You tell him something serious, right? You tell him something so serious. And then you make a joke about it, like, yo, you
You think I'm crying, bro?
Remember that one time, nah, and he look at you with some shit like that.
When you're trying to tell your homie's girl what he used to do back in the day. The fuck is this?
Oh, those kind of vacuums.
Ghost Rider, the cat Ghost Rider. And his tail's wagging too. What the fuck?
And checking on the baby game.
Good dog, good doggy.
Why is there so many pets?
Why is there so many cats? Why are they all lined up? Aw. I swear I just saw a cat hump. All weird shit. You ever seen a cat fuck?
No, bro.
Like, have you ever seen a cat fuck?
No, bro.
Exactly. No one has ever seen that. Just like my father.
Apparently, even at cat gyms, securing a spot on the treadmill can be a challenge.
Hola gente, muy buenos días, ¿cómo andan?
That's gonna be you when you get you get a good job. You're gonna bring Storm with you, right?
That's a Mexican dog.
On this farm, the rule is simple. If you live here, you work.
That ass like working. Bruh. This dog is like, when am I going home? Is he smoking a cigar?
Nigga, you lying. Nigga, that's a cigarette.
This motherfucker is smoking a cigarette. You think that's cute? Let's see if this is cute.
Wow, man, that's 30 minutes, bro. You didn't even know how long the damn video was, did you?
Nah, it was good. It was funny.
It's 39 minutes. That's probably one of the second longest videos we had so far.
All right, man. We're gonna cut it down to 25. So y'all have a wonderful day. Y'all have a wonderful day. T will be snorting coke later, live on the stream. Make sure you guys are there. Have fun. Y'all stay blessed.